Okay, people, we are now in mathematics class, right? We're looking at algebraic fractions. Several key concepts needs to be understood. Number one, we have difference of two squares. As much as we can deal with difference of two squares, and we can factorize numbers, then we can handle all forms of fractions that are algebraic in nature. So what's the idea of difference of two squares? In mathematics, difference is actually subtraction. Difference is subtraction. Sum is addition. Sum is addition. So when I have a square subtracting another square, that's the difference, the subtraction of two squares. What's the key to solving it? Watch number one. Once you understand it, you can deal with the remaining questions. At some point in time, you can pause the video, try the next before you play it. How do I deal with it? You take the value that is squared, A, minus, take the other value that is squared, B, put it in bracket, then repeat it, or put it as what? A plus. That is actually your answer. That's how you factorize it. Difference of two squares. That's it. So, look for the guys that is square. The same thing if I have b square minus um, 18 square. How do I do it? B is square, I bring b, minus 18 is square, I bring 18. I've written it now, also repeat it, b plus 18. That's how we deal with it. So very simple. I believe you catch it. Let's solve the next one. You can pause the video, try, and come back and check. You look at number 2. 16 is not squared, so I'm going to look for how I can make it square if it's possible. 16 is actually 4 square. So now that I have it in this format, what do? I go on a, bring it there, minus 4, bring it there, then repeat it, a plus 4. That is actually the answer. Next, you have your 1. 1 is not a square, so make it becomes 1 square, minus 9 becomes 3 square, y square. So 1 is 1 square, 9 is 3 square, y square is y square there. So everybody, they are all squares. So what is square here? 1. Bring the 1, minus, what is square here? 3 and y. 3y. Repeat it, then put your sign, change, plus 3y. That's how you deal with difference of two squares. 4a square minus 16. 4 is actually what? 2 square. Then your a square. 16 is what? 4 square. How is it going to be? 2 and a, they are square. You have 2a minus 4 is square here, minus 4. And you repeat it, but it will be what? Plus 4. Go on. I believe at this point you can solve others. So try it before you continue the video. 36 is actually what? 6 square. Y square has been there. Minus 4 is what? 2 square. What does that give us? 6 and y, they are square square. 6y minus 2 is square. 2. 6y minus 2. Then 6y plus 2. Are you there? So you can pause the video and then try to solve it yourself. Now we want to continue. So we have 16 minus 25 into brackets a plus b, right, raised to power 2. I'm going to clean this off so I can work that easily. Okay. So I have 16 can be what? 4 square minus 25 can be what? 5 square. I have a plus b square. So if you notice right there, 4 square is 4 is squared, 5 is squared, and then a plus b is also squared. So take this guy that has square 4 minus this one has square 5. A plus b has square, so a plus b. Put them together. Repeat it also 4, but this time around plus 5a plus b. This can further be written as 4 minus 5 times a, 5a, minus 5 times b minus 5b. Therefore, plus 5 times a is 5a plus 5b. That is how we can write that. So this is your answer in such situation. Go on now to number 7. I believe you are following. You can pause the video, try it before you continue. Number 7. You see that 25 is already what? Can be put as a square. 25 is 5 square. A already squared. A square minus 9 is what? 3 square. Then 2a minus 3b all squared. So take the guys that have square. Now that everybody is square, we are good. 5 and a, they are square here. 5a minus 3 squared. 2a minus 3b, they are squared. Then we repeat it, but this time around we change the minus to a plus. 3 2a minus 3b. And of course you can go further by opening the brackets. Minus 3 times 2a minus 6a minus 3 times minus 3b plus 9b. Because minus times minus gives us plus. We go on over there and have 5a plus 3 times 2a, 6a, 3 times minus 3b minus 9b. So this 5a and 6a, they are like terms. Subtract it, you have minus a plus 9b, then 11a minus 9b. This is our answer. So in the next class, we're going to see how we can take questions like this and bring it back to put it in this format. Okay, so I believe you are following. That's for number 7. Now number 8. Pause the video, try it yourself before we come back. Can you put 3 as a square of a number? No. 27 as a square of a number? No. So what do we do in this case? Try to factorize it by looking for what is common. Between 3 and 27, 3 is common. 3 divided 3a square. What is left is a square minus 3 divided 27 is 9b square. So if you look at it very well, a is already squared. 9 is what? 3 square. Then b square. So only the guys in the bracket are what? Difference of 2 squares. That's 3. You have a minus 3b and then a plus 3b. That is it. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, or you simply put 3a minus 9b, then a plus 3b. Whichever the case may be, you are good to go. Then we have number 9, power 4 minus 16. So a raised to power 4 minus 16 can be what? 4 raised to power 2. Hey, what are we seeing here? This guy is already a square, but how do we make this a square? For us to get this, it's actually a raised to power 2 square. That's what is giving us a raised to power 4. Power law in indices, if you have more than one power, they multiply themselves and you get that. A quick recap: a raised to power 3, everything raised to power 2 will give me a raised to power 6. Why? 3 times 2 gives me 6. So who is squared there now? A squared is squared. 4 is squared. So you have a squared minus 4. You have a squared plus 4. That is how you deal with number 9. Please, I want to believe that at this point, number 10, you have already solved it, so that you will be smiling, saying, oh, now I understand this. Always pause the video, try it, then before you go ahead. Number 10, of course, 12 cannot be put as a square, 48 cannot. Let's factorize. 12 can factorize. 12 divided 12 a square, you have a square minus 12 divided 48 is what? 4. That gives us 12 bracket a square minus 4 square is 2 square. So having gotten that, what do you have as your squares? A minus 2, then a plus 2. So that is it for difference of two squares. In the next class,